everybody, this is George Label, and today we're going to start working on a little program that's going to be like CMD. Just go ahead and open that. So we make a little program that's sort of like this, CMD, command prompt, in C#. So let's go ahead and do that. First thing I'm going to do is console dot, and if you take a look at CMD, it starts up and says all this copyright stuff. So I'm going to actually go ahead and copy that. Just right click, hit mark, highlight it, and hit enter. So if I copy this into here, it'll copy it out. Oh, didn't do it correctly. So I'm going to backspace that. And then we'll do console dot write line, and I'll paste this in here. What I want to do is change this up a bit because we want this to be made by Microsoft. So I'm going to erase that and say label LDT, all rights reserved, and version 1.0 because this is the first one. And I'll just gonna call this label command console. And what I want to do is set a string as input and want this to be equal to console.readLine. So then the user can input stuff, and we'll set that as a string. And actually before that, if we go back to CMD, we take a look, it has this little thing here which shows you the directory. We're not going to show the directory. Well, we might, and in another tutorial I might tell you to do that, but I'm just going to have this little greater than sign there for displaying where the command can be inputted. So console.member write line. Sorry. If we do write line, it won't work, but you have to write, because write line is every time it writes out something, it does a new line after that. But write, it doesn't do a new line after that, so that's perfect for what we need for. So I'll go ahead and run this, and as you see, it has the little thing down beside there. So I'm going to exit that out, and I'm going to add a space, so I'm going to do console.writeLine, just so there's a space between this and this, and I'm actually going to type that just because that kind of looks a bit cooler. If you run that, it says, where'd it go? It says command. I might take away the space there, take away that, and run it. And this says command, and I can type stuff, and of course it just closes. Now I'll make it so I can accept commands to do things. So input equals. Now in CMD there's a command for clearing the screen which is called CLS. We're going to make ours either CLS or clear, so CLS or input equals clear. Okay, else if they don't type in that command, we want it to just do console.writeLine, and if we go take a look at CMD and I just type gibberish, it'll say gibberish is, DSFA is not recognized as an internal or external command. I can actually copy that. So mark, enter, and paste that into there. You can edit this up a bit. And what I'm going to do is make us actually display the command that the user entered that was incorrect. Input. Now I'm going to put a space, and also going to put quotes around that, so Before I run that, we're going to want to do a go-to statement. So if we hit enter, if we just type something, it'll run this and say it's not recognized as a command if we don't type CLS or clear, and it would just close. But if we have a go-to statement, I'm going to make it so it goes back up to here. So this is how you do one. You just type out what you want it to be and then a colon. You want it to type go-to start and semicolon. So if I run that and I type just gibberish, it'll say DSF is not recognized as a command, and like that. And if I type CLS, it just closes because we have not made that command yet. So we'll go ahead and do that now. Console.clear, because we are clearing the console. Console.clear, and we want to do go to start. So we run that. Just type a whole bunch of just gibberish, and then I type CLS, it'll clear the console. Okay, so that's it for this tutorial. Make sure to check out TheWheel.com, and also if you want this tutorial to be in a playlist where you can watch it, and when it's done doing one video, it'll go to the next, and also earn Dweeble points, 300 per video you watch, just check out the link below. I'll have a link to the playlist of this video. So, thank you for watching. Make sure to check out Dweeble.com, and goodbye.